Guys, so today I spotted a cockerel that escaped and another nice hen that escaped, and they're wandering around outside the allotment. Wow! He jumped! They jumped onto the fence. So they know how to get back in because they haven't clipped their wings. They're gonna have to be careful. So they're jumping back in, and I hope you guys liked it. I mean, I think it's kind of cool that I spotted them. So now for the end of the video, I'm going to show the chickens. Hi chickens!
Fresh water.
Hey guys! Rhubarb!
Do you want to put the latch on, then you can get out of your
Yeah.
I'm going to water some plants in the
So these are the chickens. So for that part, they're showing the chickens. Sprouty! I got Sprout! Radish! Hello, Radish! Allotment! So they're hunting for weeds, as you can see here. Some of them have gone over there now. Come on, I'll show you. So they're having a hunt around. And they're enjoying it. So they're enjoying their weeds. One of them's gone over there to Goldie, I think. So I'm going to give him a stroke. So I got Radish. Come on, Radish. So yeah, now they've gone over there to go and have some more weeds. So let's go and have another look at them. So here's the chickens again, having a hunt around. So yeah, hope you liked the video, especially when there were chickens that jumped over the fence. And my own chickens, just a little update of how they're doing and what's happening today. So yeah, bye guys, hope you like the chickens. Tell me which one was your favourite. Was it Radish? Was it Radish? Sprout, this one here. This one is called Sprout. Rhubarb. Goldie. This one's Goldie. Peppermint. Or is it that one over there, Rusty? Tell me which one you like best, guys. Bye. Hope you like the video.